Hello, welcome to this short video on the Rodent Detector card or Chew card. You may have got one of these in the predator-free pack. This is a piece of core flute which has a peanut lure inserted into the core on the edges of the card, which is attractive to rodents and other small mammal pests. The idea is you fold the card up into a V shape and then with a nail fix that to a tree or fence post or somewhere where the rodents or other small animals are going to be able to reach it and chew on the peanut lure in the card, leaving their teeth marks. And those teeth marks will help you identify how many and which pests that you have in your garden wherever you set the card. So we'll set one of these up now. Okay, we've got our Rodent Detector card and we're just going to fix it fairly low down, about 30 centimetres off the ground on this tree where rodents or other small mammal pests are going to be able to access it and chew on the card. Now you want to leave the card at a bit of a V, sort of about 45 degrees or even vertical for the upper layer, so rodents can come up here and happily chew on the edge of the card. The card is set, and you want to check that every so often and see if you're getting teeth marks in the card. Then you can identify those on our website using a key, sort of work out what it is that you have in your garden or out here in the wild.